Hey everyone, Zachary Jarid here from the Goldwell US team, and I'm with my beautiful model Saccharin. Today we're going to be doing a blending the gray service using Colorance Cover Plus, 6NN, and 6SB. And then for an overall cooler finish, we'll be doing Colorance Core with 10P. Let's get blended. This is the final look of my model Saccharin. As you can see, we've created a seamless gray blend at the root using Colorance Cover Plus. Then to shift everything in a cooler tonal direction, we use Colorance Core through the mid-lengths and ends. For more videos like this, check out the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. See you next time.